Vlogmas Day 1. First flake of snow.
Bro is vlogging right now. Stop vlogging. Stop.
Hey, we need to do Vlogmas. You didn't do one today, so I'm doing it for you.
Daddy's lazy today.
Yeah, that's why.
Playing Uno.
That's why I have to do it
I
today.
already defeated Anya.
Say hi, mommy. This is my dinner. Pancit. Same thing with Tasha. She's playing Uno right now. As you can see, guys, this is probably gonna be, assuming Daddy does upload this, this is gonna be a very short Vlogmas Day 1 for December. Hope you guys are having a first good day of December, first good day. Hopefully the kids are happy that by winter break is also coming up, 2 weeks. But finals is also coming up, so hopefully we get Vlogmas Day 2, dalawa, and my dad isn't lazy. So yeah. So okay. Goodbye, guys.
You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh does come, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so bright and close?
From the Guzma family.
Baby, let it snow.
Day 1. These kids, hindi ako hinintay. They didn't wait. What did you get?
I got nothing.
No! Advent calendar
Just
day.
kidding. I got the penguin chocolate.
How about you? What you got? The
I
brown?
got a normal brownie.
Is it good?
Yeah.
May
And
nagagalit
now
sa
mommy's
atin.
gonna cut apple, right?
Ayun.
You know what?
Tomorrow na lang.
Ako na magkakat. I'll cut you up.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Dad.
Let mommy relax. Mommy is so tired.
Tigilan mo yan.
Bakit? Love you. Yan.
Ngayon lang kasi ako napahinga.
Miinom siya ng warm milk kasi para makatulog siya. Wow.
Nagmo-moment ako
Nagmo-moment siya doon sa lalim ng Christmas tree. Kaya ka pala nagsusulo dito. Kanina pa kita hinahanap. Hindi mo man lang ako tinawag para masamahan kita dito.
Christmas tree.
Ay!
Let's see what we get.
What's... Mag-open sila
Are we
na.
in the bad list today?
I think you are. Asha is on
We
the...
got a pin.
Saan yung ano mo? Yung milk. What?
Wait,
Yeah, go ahead. It's okay. Go ahead.
can I play Uno as a family?
We got Uno as a family. It's already late. Kiss muna, Daddy. Hey, Daddy, kiss. Kiss. Ay! Okay, sige. We're gonna play na. Kiss muna. Nalaro na naman kami ng Uno. Parati niya kasi ako natatalo. Kamusta kayo ngayon, guys? Ano bang balita dyan? Subukan natin yung mag-vlogmas. Vlogmas? Alam mo naman, may oras. Nagbawas ang oras, wala pa rin oras. Mahirap mag-edit, guys. Siguro,
Busy pa rin.
di ba yung dating ginagawa natin? Dati kasi nag-vlogmas kami, siguro pinakamarami na yung 2 beses sa isang linggo. Subukan natin ulit. Ayan. Kita-kita ulit tayo bukas, guys. Ayan. Ayan na. Dinala na yung Uno. Na-addict. Yun yung pinaglalaroan namin ni Asha. Ay, sige, guys.
Nalimig.
What's up? What's up? What day are we?
3.
We are calendar 3. 3, 2, 1. What is this?
It's like a chocolate ball thing. Hopefully it's a
Oh, it looks like... Oh.
Ooh! What is that?
What?
Caramel!
Yo, what's up, guys? Ang lamig. Dito kami sa kalsada. Meron dito Christmas parade. Ayun.
tutugtog si Jairus.
Kasama siya dun sa magpe-perform, tutugtog ng clarinet habang nagpaparada. Tapos mamaya merong Christmas tree lighting.
Oo.
Yan, alas 7. Malapit lang sa bahay. Naglakad lang kami kasi sarado yung mga kalsada. Si Asha kasama natin. Bakit ka naka-stroller? Kasi ito mapapago rin to maglakad eh. It's getting closer, Asha. Candy cane.
Happy holidays. Hi, honey. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Display lang, non-edible.
Kala ko nakakain, kinagat ko pa naman. Ang hira. May pogi.
First flake of snow
Thank you.
is set to fall today.
Thank you.
The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together, and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day. Someone's been here and there. The stock is for all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but together we're more you know. We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to hit the cold. When the sleigh bells pull, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. We're just so far yet close.
Oh, okay. Is this the one? May dumating na package eh. May hinihintay si Jairus na package. Hindi namin alam kung ito yung kanya. Ang laki kasi ng kahon eh. Bumili lang siya ng t-shirt. Let's see if this is the one.
Oh, yes, na naman. What the pickleball?
Oh, it's mine! Oh, I thought it was your shirt.
You got
Yeah, it's mine. Yeah, sa trabaho namin to.
I want to try pickleball.
Yeah, we have to play pickleball.
I want to play
We don't even have a net.
Libre lang to guys sa trabaho. Kasi pwede ka mamili ng mga regalo. Ito yung pinili ko. Sabi ko, mag-pickleball kami ni Amy. Exercise. Ayun. Hindi ako marunong maglaro nito eh, pag-aaralan. Let's go. Mamalengke muna kami guys. Wala na kami pagkain. Dito kami sa Island Gourmet sa Tracy. Ayun. Daing tao. Hindi ko lang makakapag-vlog ako dito.
Ay, mahal pala nito po.
Kano? $4. O sige, nakuha ka na. Nagulat pa. $4.
Sana ako dus-dus lang to.
Hindi, mahal talaga yan. Sige na, lagyan mo na ko ka na. Pag nahawa ka muna, kailangan mo na ilagay dito. Touch move. Balulutuin mo.
Yung kasaba.
Kasaba.
Pagbe-testing lang.
Luluto daw siya ng kasaba cake. Kaninong recipe ang gagamitin mo?
Ate G.
Kay Ate G. Shoutout kay Ate G. Kukopyahin namin recipe mo. Kaya lang to kasama ko, namamahalan sa ingredients. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. 2:30 na yun. Mukhang hindi ako makakakain nito ah. Bawal sa akin to.
Bubble pala to.
Okay lang, bayaan mo na. Importante, masaya kayo.
Ito yung vanilla.
Vanilla. Meron ka sa bahay ah. Wala, baka bumili ba si Jairus?
Hindi nga siya bumili.
Ah, wag na yung vanilla. Skip na namin yung vanilla ah.
Nagtitipid.
Hindi pa kinumpleto.
419.
419. Inflation. Okay na, bayad na. Bayad na tayo, bayad na. Papadala si Madam. Palitan. $59.10. Oh, I need a sign. Oh, dumating na. Hinihintay namin. Are you sure this is the one?
Yes, I'm very sure. No, did you tell them? You didn't tell them, right?
No, no.
Good.
May binili kasi si Jairo sa online. Pera niya to, pera niya. Ako na nagbayad ng shipping. Gustong gusto niya lang tong...
Oh, I got 2 things. Oh, no, never mind.
You just bought
It was
one.
folded. It was folded.
Oh my God. Pinapangarap niya to
Should
eh.
I open it right now? Like,
Yeah, just go open it. Hopefully it's the right size though.
if it's not the right size, I can wait for it. Because it's nice.
Can we return? Okay.
Oh.
Whoa, there you go. Brooklyn!
Brooklyn!
Woo, go,
Brooklyn
Brook-
all the way! That's a good size.
That's nice. That looks good quality, huh?
Yeah, look, I mean, it's NBA. It's
Right? It should
has to
be. NBA to sa NBA talaga to in order.
Look,
Did you-
feel the it's
Yeah.
that's good though, huh?
Yeah. Gusto niya talaga yan.
First-
Siya nagbayad niyan sa kanyang savings.
First official merch.
Yeah,
For me.
Brooklyn.
Let's go. All the way. And look at Daddy wearing his
Oh, I'm wearing my
Warriors.
Warriors.
That's the one I bought.
Yeah,
I bought
si
that
Jairus
too.
na binili niya sa akin to. Where did you bought this?
Target.
Target in or...
It was Target, seriously.
I thought it was...
It was on clear.
5 below.
No, it was clearance.
Oh,
It was on
clearance.
clearance.
Pinagmalaki pa
It
clearance. How much was it?
$5.
$5. How much you bought for that one? That's expensive.
It was like $22.
But I paid for the shipping.
and you pay for the shipping, which is
Yeah.
$9.
Ito tuwa siya. How many days will we wait for this?
Like 11. This is
11
the 11
days? Oh my God.
It's an estimated was supposed to be 9.
Supposed to be 9 days. Itong makalawa pa niya hinihintay niya. Brooklyn.
Official Brooklyn Net fan na.
Did you put it on your, did you log it on your book?
Huh? Oh no, I didn't.
I have to log it in.
I don't think I did. I think I maybe. Yeah, no, I didn't. Oh, that's the same. It's hold on.
May logbook kasi ito eh.
Oh no, I did log it.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, let me show your...
It's bad handwriting.
Okay.
'Cause it's
Bad handwriting.
small. Give me a break.
Yeah, pa. Ito guys, meron siyang yung kanyang financial book.
financial yan.
Bali, meron siyang budget sheet, yung mga cards niya. Meron siyang savings, tapos meron siyang pang shopping, tapos meron siyang pang gifts. Meron siyang savings, ito yung ini-invest namin every month. So, we haven't invested this
Yeah.
month. I forgot. You didn't remind
We
me.
keep forgetting.
And then shopping, yan kapag meron siyang gustong bilhin, katulad niya bumili siya ng damit, meron siyang sariling budget diyan sa allowance niya. Dinidivide niya yan every month. Tapos meron din siyang gifts para sa pag meron siyang gustong bigyan, let's say sa birthday ng classmates niya o kaya pumupunta kami sa simbahan, dito yung giving niya, dito niya kinukuha. Wow.
Yeah,
What
this
else
is
you
just-
have?
This
Miscellaneous.
is like
What's that
just
for?
gift cards.
Oh, gift cards that you receive.
Yeah.
And then he got you some gift card.
Oh,
no?
yeah.
Shout out for to
Jaden.
Jaden.
Jaden yun.
Binigyan siya pang Christmas.
He gave me 7.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Daming pera.
And then I gave one to Asha, so
Yeah,
I get
so-
6 of them.
Diba? Si Asha meron din siya dito. Ito yung kanyang table eh. Ito. Si Asha medyo hindi pa niya naiintindihan pero she's getting there. Ayan, meron din siya. Tapos si nanay niya na lang yung naglalagay ng log kasi meron niya listahan eh, budget sheet tapos susulat niya diyan kung ano yung mga ginastos nila. Ayan, tapos naghuhulog din kami every month yan kay Asha. Meron din siyang brokerage account.
I don't know if I should be part of it, being an official fan of one of the worst teams right now.
Uh-huh.
But hey, just be patient.
Yeah, they'll get there.
That's what I did with Carolina.
Carolina Panthers.
Last year, only won like 4 games. This year, 7 games.
Mahilig din siya sa football, Carolina Panthers naman.
Yeah. We just gotta be patient.
Okay, say bye-bye na. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
sharing. Bye. December 17. Ngayon ko rin i-upload ang video na to. Ang ganda ng panahon sa amin guys, 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Ayun o, kita nyo naka-t-shirt ako. Susundo lang kami ng bata. Pangalawang vlog pa lang natin ito ngayon, December. Oh. Sabi ko, kala ko marami akong magagawa kasi nga, bawas na yung oras ko sa trabaho. Sabi ko, baka makakapag-vlog pa tayo ng
2 beses.
mas madalas, at least once a week. Lagpas na, more than 9 days ago na yung huling vlog natin.
Ano ba nangyari?
Kaya, yun, wala lang. Kung ano nangyari. Kaya yung pasensya na, yung vlog natin ngayon, puro siya hati-hati, sabog-sabog siya. Wala siyang direksyon. Kung ano lang yung nangyayari sa bawat araw.
Ngayon na lang nag-umaraw.
Oo. Parati makulimlim.
Pagi lagi eh.
Kumusta ba?
Okay naman.
Okay naman. Sabi ni Aini, sabi 2 araw lang ang trabaho ko. Tuwing papasok na ulit ako, bakit para daw, ang dalas ko pa rin daw pumasok. Ang bihira. Walang kakontentuhan. So yun guys, bago ako magpaalam, magsha-shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout nga pala unang-una kay Mami Esther. Ayun, nakausap ko yung anak nyo, si Phil, tsaka si Ate Risa. Sabi nila, parati daw kayo nanonood. So Mami Esther, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you for always watching. Titignan ako nila.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
No, it's okay. Yeah. Pero kami kasama. Bawal may bata. May kasabay kasi kaming bata. Pina-pick up noong ito, kasama ni Asha. Pina-pick up nung nanay kasi malilate daw. Nahiya ako mag-vlog tapos meeting na ba nagsasalita ako. And also shout out to Phil's daughter and son, Ethan and Angela. Ayun. Parati rin daw sila nanonood sa amin. Shout out sa inyo. And shout out din nga pala, merong nag-approach sa akin dun sa trabaho ko. Parati daw nanonood yung misis niya, si Ma'am Miles. Kaya yun, sabi niya pa shout out daw. So shout out po sa inyo, Ma'am Miles. So yun guys, hanggang dito na siguro yung vlog natin. At yung pasensya na nga kayo dahil medyo sabog-sabog yung vlog natin kasi medyo naging busy na naman tayo. Ayun na naman, busy na tayo. At kung nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog na to, please don't forget to hit the like button at magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod na vlog. Bye!
It's no